So why is Nike freaking out over files no one's supposed to see? Look, on January 26th, a gang called WorldLeaks dropped 1.4 terabytes of Nike's internal data. That's 188,000 files. And here's the thing. They didn't steal your credit card and didn't grab customer passwords. They stole something way more valuable. Design files, factory training manuals, garment making processes, every blueprint that makes Nike, Nike. Think about this, intellectual property that sells for far more on the dark web and gives cyber criminals way more leverage than stolen credit cards or even your personal data is at stake here. And WorldLeaks, the cybercrime gang, which is a spin-off of Hive and Hunters International, they're part of a new breed. They don't even bother encrypting files anymore like ransomware. They just walk in, sneak in, undetected, grab everything, and threaten to publicize it unless you pay. It's organized crime. More Sopranos than sci-fi. And they've been inside companies like Nike and smaller businesses for months before anyone even notices. Stay with me because this breach tells us exactly where cybercrime is heading this year. This is Cybercrime Junkies.